Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you have a Google account and a stable connection. This is why we check Wi-Fi and battery first. Once ready, open Settings, go to Accounts, and tap Add Account. Choose Google and enter your email or create a new address. The system validates identity to sync purchases and apps. Make sure to enable device security like a PIN or fingerprint now, because Play requires a protected profile to link payment methods and app permissions securely. After selecting Google, type your email and password and follow any two-factor prompts. This confirms it's you and prevents fraud. Once signed in, review sync and privacy options, apps, contacts, and backup, and choose what to sync. Then open the Play Store, tap your avatar to confirm the account is active. Add or verify payment methods in payments and subscriptions if you plan to buy apps. These steps link purchases and app data so your apps restore across devices. Finish by installing any free app to verify the Play Store recognizes your account and syncs. If you encounter errors like authentication or download failures, clear Play Store cache and data, then restart the device. That resolves most glitches. If problems continue, remove and re-add the Google account in Settings and double-check payment or security holds in your Google account online. Make sure time and date are correct, because mismatched clocks often block account verification.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.